Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make regular chocolate chip cookies. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet. Cream 1 cup butter with 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 cup brown sugar until light. Add 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons vanilla, then mix in 3 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Fold in 2 cups chocolate chips and chill the dough briefly before scooping. Use a warm, friendly approach when mixing to keep the process enjoyable and consistent. Beat butter and sugars until pale, then add eggs one at a time for smooth incorporation. Stir in dry ingredients at low speed and stop as soon as you see no streaks of flour. Fold in chocolate chips by hand to preserve softness and avoid overworking the dough, which keeps cookies tender and chewy after baking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes a great kitchen companion for cookbook browsing and recipe notes, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. If you want to grab one or find other deals, check the description for the link and specials. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop even portions of dough and place on a lined sheet with spacing to allow spread. Bake on the middle rack at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until edges are golden and centers look slightly underbaked. Let cookies rest on the sheet for 5 minutes to finish cooking and set, then move them to a wire rack to cool completely. This preserves chewiness while preventing breakage during transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.